Hi, I'm Matt from eSpares. In this video, I'll be showing you some of Karcher's cleaning fluids and detergent range available for your pressure washer. Karcher are the leading manufacturer of domestic pressure washers, and they can be used to clean many different surfaces. They produce cleaning fluids for general use, but also specific applications. Karcher produce a car shampoo, ultra foam cleaner, which is great for vehicles, a special ecological universal cleaner, a wood cleaner, plastic cleaner, which is great for patio chairs and tables, stone and paving cleaner, which can also be used on brick, and a universal cleaner. They come in these handy click-in bottles and also these pouches that can be filled with water to produce 5 litres of detergent. These detergents and cleaning fluids help to break down stubborn dirt and build up, saving energy, time and effort, and also produce great results. They can be used by using the detergent pickup on your machine, or in some models, they can simply be dropped in and pushed into place. Or they can be used with these foamer attachments, which plug into your gun and can be used from the pressure washer directly. Simply spray the fluid on, allow a few minutes to work, but do not allow it to dry, before using your pressure washer to spray and rinse off, helping lift the stubborn dirt and algae. Karcher cleaning fluids and detergents can be used on all Karcher pressure washers. So there we have it, cleaning fluids and detergents from Karcher. Remember, spares and accessories for all the appliances around your home can be found on the eSpares website. Thanks for watching.